relaxed position, which is into it down, making that choice all on his own. So processing traffic, loud noises, trucks, motorcycles. Very nice. That's pretty good stuff right there. Very nice. Good job, Benny. Blake.